Are you looking for complete soft computing notes for AKTU? In this video, you will get all units of application of soft computing covered in one place. These notes are specially designed for B.Tech students and are perfect for exam preparation and quick revision. Let's quickly go through the units. Unit 1 introduces soft computing concepts, including the difference between soft and hard computing, and basics of neural networks. Unit 2 focuses on fuzzy logic, including fuzzy sets, membership functions, and fuzzy inference systems. Unit 3 explains genetic algorithms, including selection, crossover, and mutation techniques. Unit 4 covers artificial neural networks, including Perceptron models and backpropagation. And Unit 5 focuses on real-world applications of soft computing like pattern recognition and control systems. These notes are simple, easy to understand, and exam-focused. You can download the complete PDF from the link given in the description.